How do, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, consider hitting that subscribe button. Yeah, sorry about the wind noise, it is quite windy today. But yeah, so last couple of weeks, last 2 weeks I've been working on the Duster. Been a bit too cold for bicycle touring, so I thought I'd work on something else. So I'm just going to run through it now, show a bit of a montage of it, and then yeah, happy days. Hopefully you like the video. Also, if you want any Escape clothing, check out link below. Ellison10's your discount code, 10% off. They have a Black Friday sale on today. Whether that runs when the video's out, I don't know, but yeah, I'll show you the Duster now. Now, if you can hear me over the wind noise, it's not 100% done. The roof rack is going. Something else is replacing that. So as you can see, replaced the tyres from the Instas to the Cooper Discoverer AT3s. Also as well in there, if you can see, there's pedals, shocks and springs, and then obviously the snorkel which I've added. So yeah, that's version 2. So it's got pretty much 2-inch lift, 29.5 inch tyres, 29.5 inch tyres, yeah, and yeah, so it's a bit higher, and more to come next year. Next year, I already planned quite a lot of stuff. We've got shows after shows, a couple of trips out, and a new accessory for the roof. You can probably already guess what that is, but yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So hopefully you like the video. Check the others out, like, subscribe, share it out, and I'll see you all later.